Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is ND Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove or uninstall weather boxes appearing on your Windows 10 computer as apps or as some sort of application or program on your computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Go open up the start menu, select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Take note of whatever the name of the app is as well. Most of the time it should have the name weather in it. So anyway, directing our attention back over to the settings screen, go ahead and select the apps tile. In the search this list field, type in weather. And now honestly, anything with the name weather in it, you want to go ahead and uninstall it, which we're going to do here. And there's also a Microsoft Corporation one. We're going to uninstall that one as well. And then you should restart your computer once it's done, and then hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.